Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki and I'm back with another stitch fix, this time for September 2021. The last couple stitch fixes, if you have watched them, have not been the best. So I'm really hoping that Stitch Fix knocks out of the park and there are some great kind of work slash transition into fall type of looks. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nikki, like I said before, and I do some of these stitch fixes probably about once a month. That might change if today doesn't go well. I also do some wantable. I do a ton of home fragrance. I do a lot of other smorgasbord of stuff. So if you like a wide variety of things, but basically unboxings, home fragrance, Disney, and some random chit chats, then this is the place for you, and I hope you'll consider hitting that red subscribe button down below. I'm so close to 600 subscribers, so I hope that I can hit that with this video. So usually with my stitch fixes, I will unbox it with you and go through what's inside, but I kind of took it out because I was like, you know, I'm just gonna have the tape off, get it all ready, and I noticed that my bundle wasn't quite bundled, like half of the things were outside of the bundle. So I kind of just organized it a little bit and I'm like, why do I need to unbox it with you guys? You guys can watch other videos of mine in the past if you need to know the gist of everything or see it inside the box. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, Stitch Fix is a personalized styling service, $20 styling fee that gets applied to anything that you decide that you are going to purchase. It gets applied as a credit, if that wasn't clear. They give you 5 items. If you decide to keep everything, they give you a 25% discount off the subtotal. If you're interested in trying Stitch Fix for yourself, it is super fun. I will leave a referral link down in the description box below for you. I do have a style pass, so I don't get a style credit. That's a whole other thing that you just get gifted that. So if you're lucky you get it, you can't ask for it. So I won't go too deep into that. Inside, you will find a United States Postal Service envelope that you will send anything that you decide not to keep back in here. It's already labeled, but I'm not going to show you because it has my address on it. But you will just put this in your mailbox, give it to your mailman, or you could take it to the post office since my outgoing mailbox does not have a big enough slit for it. Inside, you will also find ideas of what to do with the items that you receive. You will also have a note from your stylist. It looks like I have a new stylist. This is Kat, and I'm assuming they just keep giving me a new one because I think I've only kept like one or nothing out of the boxes that I've gotten the last 2 times. Before that, I usually keep at least 2, 3, 4, sometimes everything in the box. So I hope that they start picking it up a little bit. And finally, the last thing that they do is they give you a pricing sheet, so it breaks it down for you. So here's how my bundle kind of came out. This dress was kind of flopping around. It's kind of, I don't want to say slippery material, but I can see how that would kind of get out of a bundle. But usually they're very nicely folded. They're all put together, kind of like the rest of them are. But let's see what's in here. I'm going to put my pricing sheet back here so I can refer to it. So first, let's look at this. This is a burgundy colored dress here. Looks like about mid-length. This is from the brand, it says Kaylee 23. Kaylee 23. And this is the Sienna Faux Wrap Knit Dress. They give me pretty much everything in medium. I have to remind them a lot of the time though, that I'm between a small and a medium. So if people are reporting that it runs large, please don't keep giving me mediums. I'm not saying that this is in particular, but I noticed that is something that Stitch Fix really has a hard time doing. But this is a really pretty fall color. Obviously you can pair this with a nice denim jacket. I hope that the low cut part of the dress is not gonna be showing cleavage or anything like that, because I do want it to be work appropriate, and I have plenty of dresses from Stitch Fix and other styling services for fun times. So anyway, you can see it has this kind of grayish white kind of paint strokes to it. Very cute, very nice material. Okay, this says that it's from, what was it? Kaylee 23, but this is calling it Kaylee. So this is saying it's a Kaylee dress, and this is $50 for the dress. Okay, next is this, looks like a long sleeve, kind of sweater top from Market and Spruce. It is in this kind of dusty pink and white stripe with buttons, kind of like, it looks like it's gonna be right around here. Nice soft material. Actually, it doesn't look like it might hit all the way down to my wrist, so it might be almost full sleeve. And this is the Gloria Hacci button detail knit top, again in medium. And this is $38. $38 for the pink and white market and spruce top. All right, they did put in some, it looks like brown slacks here, dark brown. These are from Tribal. This is the Fiat Bootcut Trouser. And this is in a size 8, which is, I'm usually a true size 8. And these are really nice work type of trousers. I do like that these are machine wash, even though it's in a delicate cycle. I do not like material that is dry clean only. I'm out on that. So really glad that these are going to be good material. You can see that there's a little bit of stretching here in the waistband, which is nice. Fake pockets, which really drive me nuts. No front pockets. That's okay. So we'll check those out. Sorry, I forgot to give you the price. Tribal trousers, $58 for the pants. So it looks like they put in some denim anyway. I guess it doesn't hurt, right? These are from Liverpool. I don't think I have any Liverpool jeans now that I think about it. I don't think I do. So this is from Liverpool. These are a size 8 or 29. And this is the high-rise ankle skinny jeans. And this is in a nice dark wash. No distressing on these, which is nice because I was looking today and almost all of my jeans have some distressing in them, and at work it's probably best not to have any distressing. I really like the wash on this, like the dark wash. I don't have many that are this dark, which is kind of nice. So just the dark button here. This is the Tinsley high-rise skinny jean in indigo. And the price on these are $84. $84 for the Liverpool jeans. And finally, it looks like this is a sweater from Cotton Emporium. This is a really nice material. I don't know how to describe it, almost like a waffle knit. I don't have anything like this. I mean, I have cardigans, obviously I'm wearing one, but this one seems like a different type of material. So I'm not too bored with it. I like that there's pockets. Let me scoot back a little bit so you can see. Probably gonna hit me right about mid-hip length. And this is acrylic and cotton. Looks like easy wash is totally fine. This is in dark gray. This is the Vallerie texture 2-pocket cardigan. And this retails for $44. Actually a pretty decent price for what I feel is a really high quality cardigan. Okay, let's go ahead and try on these outfits and I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay. Let's start off. I have the Market and Spruce pink and white knit long sleeve top, and I paired them with these trousers. I think they're from Tribal, the brown, like they suggested. I don't know if I'd put this outfit together myself, but since they suggested it, I thought that I would show you. Okay, let's talk about the top first. Very soft. I like it. Here's the buttons I was kind of telling you about. Very soft, very cozy. This could easily be loungewear as well as work attire, which I like. So just really comfortable. I'll show you the back. Covers nicely. Yeah, and it actually did reach my wrists. So I like it. Do I love it? I don't know. I don't know yet. Now let's talk about these Tribal pants, the trousers. So I'm going to show you. I feel like they kind of make me seem a little, I don't know how the word is, not dumpy and frumpy, but I don't know. It makes me kind of seem like I'm very compact in my legs, if that makes sense. I actually really love the color and they are so comfortable. That stretch waist is really nice. I'll show you, I'll get up close so you guys can see. So you can see still some stretch back here. Comes up to right at the below my belly button. They fit really nice. They're not too tight. They're not too loose. I will say for Bootcut, they're a little bit long. They go below my, the heel of my foot. So obviously if I might have to wear like some high heels a little bit to kind of, first of all, give me some length here in my legs, but also so that way they're not dragging on the ground. But very comfortable, very comfortable. What do you guys think? The outfit, now that I'm wearing it more and more, I kind of do like the brown and the pink together. All right, let's move on to the next outfit. Okay, everybody, I have two items here. I have the Liverpool dark blue skinny jeans here that go to the ankle. And then I have this cardigan, dark gray, with the pockets from Cotton Emporium. I'm gonna come up closer and then I'll talk to you about the items. So here is the full look. I just paired it with the black tank top I was wearing earlier from, I think, Old Navy. Okay, so let's talk about the jeans first. Again, they're from Liverpool. They fit great. I am a couple pounds heavier than I normally am. Well, probably like 5. So, but they still fit great. No issues there. They're kind of fairly high rise. They come to right, you can see my belly button is just peeking up above it. Here is the back. Some stretching. Form fitting around the booty. I will now talk about the cardigan. Oh, let me finish talking about the jeans real quick. My thoughts on them. I love the wash. Very comfortable. For $84, I don't mind investing in a good pair of jeans. If you've watched my channel, you know I have bought Madewells, cut from the cloth, Vigos, Just USA. So I don't mind investing in some jeans. But these are not like reinventing the wheel. I don't feel like they were just made for me. So I don't know, maybe if I decide to keep everything, definitely this will be a make or break for me. But this cardigan I love. I'm totally getting back into cardigans. And at first I was like, I'm done with the cardigans. But last year and this year, I was just looking in my closet, making sure I didn't already have a gray one, which I don't. But I'm like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be like my 5th cardigan. But I kind of like it. It gives off like a super casual, but obviously it still dresses up the jeans a little bit kind of vibe, and I'm digging it. Here is the material again. This like waffle knit type of feel. It's this heathered gray, and I'm totally digging it. Super comfortable, love having the pockets, love where it lays. Again, I feel like a lot of these pieces are showing versatility in being like casual loungewear, but also workwear. So I'm digging it. I really like this cardigan. Okay, I just have the dress, so let's go ahead and try that on. Okay, the last outfit is this Kaylee dress here. It's a faux wrap, I believe that they call it. It's in this burgundy color. You can see it has the white kind of paint striping look here. It has kind of like thick straps, but it's sleeveless. Comes to right above the knee. I really like this actually. I'll show you the back here. So I'm happy to say that it covers perfectly. As you can see, I kind of have a fairly large chest, so that's always kind of a worry when I get the V-neck type of attire when it's supposed to be work related. I brought a black sweater to put on with it, especially because obviously now that this would have been perfect to get back in August. Sorry, I have like a hair stuck in my face. This would have been great about a month and a half ago. So I have to really kind of debate if I want to keep this. And, you know, I don't know, maybe I can do some black leggings underneath with some boots. I don't know, but let me go and show you it with a sweater on and see what you think. I'm just gonna put on this black sweater. This is from the Pulse Boutique. I love the Pulse. I really like it. Definitely looks like, you know, a regular workday type of dress. What do you think? I really like this. more than I thought I was going to. What do you think? Thoughts? All right, I have some thinking to do, that is for sure. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll be right back. I'm gonna let you guys know what I decided to keep and what I decided to send back. Okay guys, this was kind of hard. Much better fix. Really happy with how they've improved this fix. So I'm gonna say that I think you can agree that they put together some good items for things that were really versatile and could be used. It was really hard to decide. I would say there was one definite no, there were two maybes, and two I really liked. So, but let's see how it goes. So let's go with the definite no right off the bat. It was the Liverpool jeans. I really loved that they weren't distressed or anything. They fit fine, but they weren't really worth the $84 to me. So I have jeans that I love way more, and they really have to be an oomph for me to pay $84 for a pair of jeans. So these are gonna go back. Okay, so these tribal pants, which now look very wrinkled, I just put them on like 5 minutes ago. I decided to send these back. I liked them and I love the concept of them. Sorry, the lighting is getting really weird in here because it's getting to be nighttime, but I decided to send them back because I even paired them with different things, with different shoes off camera, and I just couldn't get past the fact that it made me look kind of like frumpy from the bottom down. And I don't know. I don't need to look more frumpy and, you know, compact and square. I kind of look like SpongeBob SquarePants a little bit. So I am sending back the tribal brown trousers. So going back is also going to be the Merkin & Spruce pink top. This is actually really cute and really soft. I just decided that I have so many long sleeve, super soft knit pullover or, you know, long sleeve tops that, do I really need another one? Probably not right now. So sending this one back just because it's just nothing that I need and I have to be more about what I need right now. So I'm keeping two items. The first item is the Caylee dress. I just really like the way that it looked. I can definitely pair them with some like black leggings or tights with some black boots and make this a all season type of item. So I am going to keep this, even though it's a little pricey, it's $50, but you know, it's very nice material, so it's well worth it. And then my favorite item was, I believe it's called Cotton Emporium, and this is the cardigan that I decided to keep. You know, you guys know I was definitely feeling myself in this. So cozy, so versatile. You can wear it dressed up at work, or you can wear it lounging on the couch with some leggings and slippers. So really enjoyed this, so definitely keeping this. All right, everybody, that means, yes, I kept two things, so we're improving. I really liked what I got. Again, if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix, I will leave the my referral link down below. Let's talk about pricing really quickly. I have it down here. If I would have kept everything, let's see. Okay, so everything was listed here. $50 for the dress, $38 for that pink and white top, $44 for the cardigan, $84 for the Liverpool jeans, and $58 for the brown trousers. Altogether, that was $274. If I kept everything, I would have had a 25% discount, which would have taken off $68.50. Again, if you had your $20 styling fee, it would take off another $20, which would give you an $88.50 discount. Pretty much a little bit more than those Liverpool jeans, right? So at that point, why wouldn't you? But since I don't, my order subtotal would have been $205.50 if I would have kept everything. And I did not. So I bought the two items, which were $50 and then $44. All right, everybody, thanks for spending the last few minutes with me and unboxing my September Stitch Fix. I would love to know what you thought. Did you agree with me? Did you disagree? Leave your comments down below, and I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me. So I will see you guys again next time. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up before you go, and I will talk to you guys again next time. Bye-bye.